Good morning and welcome to City News 24/7. I'm Melanie Ng. It is good news for many as the Bank of Canada announcing today that it is dropping its key interest rate a 0.5 percentage point. Our Caryn Ceolin has been tracking all of these developments. And Caryn, what are bank officials saying right now?
Well, Melanie, as you mentioned, the Bank of Canada has cut its benchmark interest rate by 50 basis points. This is the fourth consecutive decrease so far this year, and the policy rate now down to 3.75%. Now, this jumbo cut was in line with the expectations of many economists. They are now describing this as a victory flag planted in the middle of the battle against inflation. Inflation has dropped more than expected last month. If you recall, it retreated to 1.6%. That's around the central bank's 2% target. Governor Tiff Macklem says now that the economy has slowed, the bank is trying to stimulate growth by cutting rates and keep inflation close to that middle ground between the 1% to 3% range. Have a listen.
We took a bigger step today because inflation is now back to the 2% target, and we want to keep it close to the target. Our surveys also find that businesses and consumer expectations of inflation have shifted down and are nearing normal. All this suggests we are back to low inflation. This is good news for Canadians. Now our focus is to maintain low, stable inflation. We need to stick the landing.
Now, I was speaking this morning with people near Toronto's financial district, and they were saying they welcome really any drop in borrowing costs to make their mortgage payments just a little more affordable. Here's what they had to tell me.
It affects me a lot because I have my condo and also, the rates are very high.
I'm a homeowner, I own it, but it's good for my kids and all that. So
kids are looking to get into the market?
Into the market, yeah.
Even those of us that make a very healthy living in the downtown core can have a tough time just making ends meet. And so I certainly think that some relief in the interest rates will be a welcome announcement for everybody.
Now, if the economy evolves in line more broadly with the bank's expectations, its latest expectations, it does reduce to drop those interest rates even further, with the next announcement expected in December.
And definitely one to watch. Caryn Ceolin, appreciate this update. Thank you.
Thank you.